Hello friends, uh, today I'm going to show you the one software. Actually, it is pre-installed in our Windows 10, and that software we can use to record our sound, or we can say for audio recording. So, without wasting time, let's know how to record our sound using that software. Go to Start menu, and there you can scroll down. Here you can see a voice recorder. Just we have to click it. So it open there, and after that what we can do that we can start recording. So one recording is already there, so let's delete it. So as I press this mic, then it starts recording. Thus I'm going to press it. Oh, it started recording. I'm speaking and it is recording there. And here is time we can see, and here is pause button, and this is add a marker. We are right now we are not using marker, so just so this is how we can record our voice, or we can say audio, maybe to command our computer, or maybe for any other purpose. Now let's stop it. So I just stopped it. It created a file. Now I just want to play it. So now actually where is that file created by this, or where is it saved? So let's go to this. We can share open file location. Let's click it. So here is our recording. So it is using M4A extension, and from here we can play it. So it's very simple to record our voice or audio, maybe to command our computer, maybe for different other tasks. It's a powerful tool, and actually we don't need to install it separately. It comes inbuilt with Windows 10. Thank you for your time, everybody. Uh, Take care, goodbye, and once again I'll be talking some more videos in coming session.